Hi guys, it's Brookelynne and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be my January 2025 beauty and lifestyle favourites. So let's get started. First favourites video of the year. Can't believe it's nearly February. I cannot believe that, literally. So I do have 6 beauty favourites. I do have 1 lifestyle favourite, which I'm going to put a picture up. I'll start with lifestyle, why not? So the first one, which you may have seen in a previous favourites video from last year, it is the Astonish Kitchen Lemon Disinfectant Spray. I'll put a picture here, just like I said before, what it looks like. That stuff was really good for getting rid of grease off my air fryer. It's good for cleaning down my kitchen countertops. It's good at cleaning the cupboards. It's just good, an all-round kitchen cleaner. I love the smell. The lemon's nice and fresh, and it kind of gets you motivated because of the freshness. Gets you in the mood more to clean, which is quite good. So I love that. I absolutely love that. And it's only £1 from a lot of like different stores like Home Bargains, B&M's, Savers. Like a lot of different places do that cleaning spray, and it is amazing. I am on my 2nd bottle, which is nearly running out, so we'll need to pick up another bottle of that, but I wouldn't be without it. It's just the best. It is the best. And another cleaning hack, or not another cleaning hack, a cleaning hack for you if you have an air fryer. Spray several sprays of that Astonish kitchen spray under your air fryer trays after you've used your air fryer, after you've took the food out of it, obviously. And then use some hot water, boil your kettle, pour some hot water into the tray. Obviously take it out of the air fryer completely if you can. Leave it to sit for a couple of minutes, and then you empty it, because the kitchen spray degreases everything. It's similar to the elbow grease lemon. Nova, what's the matter with your ear? It's similar to the elbow grease lemon spray. Yeah, that one. So it literally lifts the grease from the tray, anything. And you just tip the water out. You get your fairy liquid or whatever dish soap you have and your Scora sponge, and you just scrub it, and it's so easy to clean as well. And if your trays or whatever is extra dirty, do it again, like just spray it several times, put some more hot water in, let it sit for like, or you can just empty it out straight away, and then it'll get everything off after you've scrubbed it. Like literally, instead of just going in with your fairy liquid and cleaning the grease off, hot water, lemon spray, let it sit. It's magic. So I love that, and I would not be without it, and I can't believe how cheap it is. And yeah, bonus. So if you're into cleaning, well, even if you're not into cleaning, if you have your own house, whatever, or you're responsible for some cleaning in whatever shape or form, sorry, fixing my top, that spray is amazing. So yeah, all the beauty stuff. If you got bored from lifestyle, say for instance you're not really into like lifestyle favourites, I've got the favourites for you. So I got gifted a lot of skincare and some hair care Christmas from lovely family members and in-laws, and I've been trying them out over this month and obviously some of December too, and I found some really great hair care and skincare, and I just want to show you them right now. So hair care I'll start out with, might as well. It is the Give Me Cosmetics shampoo and conditioner. So Give Me Cosmetics has been going wild on social media for a good few years now. I remember, do you ever remember like about 5 years ago, 5-6 years ago, the mask came out? It's that Give Me Cosmetics mask, like a miracle mask that revives damaged hair. It's the same line as this, only I don't have the mask, I have the conditioner. So this is the Argan Oil and Coconut shampoo, Argan Oil and Coconut conditioner. I think the different variations of their shampoos, conditioners and masks, but I got these from my in-laws for Christmas, and this cleanses, the shampoo cleanses, strengthens and transforms, Brookelynne, read English please, hair. And it is paraben free, and it contains provitamins, which is really great. And this is 300ml, so it's decent enough big size. This one's also 300ml. The shampoo I'll talk about now, I find that does leave my hair feeling nice and clean, doesn't dry it out. it just makes it clean and it makes it feel like healthier and more bouncier. I do tend to have like quite thick and a bit of wave, well actually I'm quite wavy hair, textured hair. This one is really great for my hair because of the coconut oil and argan oil. That is really great if you've got coarse, thick, wavy textured hair, curly, whatever, because it just doesn't dry out your hair. If you have my hair type, especially because there's bleach in it, a lot of bleach, it tends to get on the drier side, and I find this eliminates any dryness but gets my hair nice and clean and my scalp feels nice and refreshed. It's perfect. It is just a lovely shampoo. I absolutely love it, and I've been reaching for it a lot of times, if not all, throughout this month. The conditioner, which I will read, I do have the information on the back of the shampoo and conditioner if you're interested. So the conditioner hydrates, nourishes and revives hair, and I do think this does this. And it also has coconut as well, and it contains provitamins, paraben free, so it's similar to the shampoo. They kind of go hand in hand. They're a perfect match. So this conditioner, even if you have quite thick hair like myself, do not need a whole lot of this conditioner. I tend to find with my hair type I need a lot of conditioner to keep it smooth and manageable and to really coat every single part of my hair. This is like a little bit does it, because I do find the first couple of times didn't really like it as much because I was using my normal amount, a golf ball size amount for my whole hair, and I found it was hard to rinse out. It kind of left like a residue, not a bad one, but it felt like it was taking forever to rinse out. But once I switched to like half the amount I would normally use it on a conditioner, it was easier to rinse out and it left my hair feeling silky soft. So it really does. I haven't used it this time because I did use my other stuff, the stuff I always love to use as well. But I do find after every time I've used less and less, my hair just feels silky and it feels like bouncier. It feels like not dry at all, like literally it just feels like proper healthy hair. My hair isn't too badly damaged with the bleach and all. It's healthy for bleached hair, but this just makes it like feel like it hasn't been bleached, if that makes sense. And so I get the look of bleached hair without damage. I love that I don't have to use too much of it, so it saves me having to bat a lot of the time. It'll last me ages. The shampoo too, don't need to use too much of that as well. So I do get to keep a hold of these for a good bit longer than what I normally would, so I love that. And this hair care range is really great. I'd recommend it. So on to some skincare, which is also by Give Me, and I also got these from my in-law. They got me a hair care set and a skincare set. I've yet to review the hair care, which I'm going to do after this video, but the skincare set, I've got a video on that, like a test and first impressions. If you want to check that out, it's on my channel. If you want me to, I will link it down below or in a comment. So I did get the face serum, which I absolutely love, and I did get the day cream. So this face serum has hyaluronic acid and retinol. It just looks like that. The packaging, hot pink, I absolutely love. My favourite colour ever. And this is like a retinol serum and hyaluronic acid, which is perfect for my skin type. I am about to be 33 in June. I'm 32 now, so I do have a slightly more mature skin, and retinol's really great for anti-aging and to keep the skin cell turning over like it would if you're younger. Hyaluronic acid is meant to be really good for obviously hydrating the skin and giving you more of that youthful glow, and it's meant to just keep your skin from feeling dehydrated. My skin can get dehydrated in the winter. I don't really have particularly dry skin. I can feel a bit dry, but it isn't like desert dry. I've got combination skin, but I find hyaluronic acid really just boosts my skin hydration levels, and it gives me more of a bouncy dewy glow. I find when I've been using this every single night I've been putting this on my face, 2 pumps of it, and I find that and the other stuff of the Give Me range and my other skincare has been leaving me like with this really beautiful youthful glow. My skin, lucky enough I do have decently good skin, like I don't really get acne or anything, which I love, and it does look healthy with skin as it is, but this really takes it to another level, which It's amazing, and I do find my skin doesn't look as dry. Like sometimes with the forehead wrinkles I need to get Botox. Sometimes with my forehead wrinkles my skin could just look older, and I don't like that. But this does make my skin look a bit younger looking, and it makes me glow more, and it's just really, really good. So it does work, I believe. I do know the difference. And I have got compliments on my skin when I haven't been wearing makeup by different people, which is quite good. It just tells you the skincare is working for you. So the day cream looks like that. Also hot pink, which I absolutely love. So this has niacidimide and retinol. So niacidimide is meant to be good for clearing skin. I don't really have a problem with like spots or acne or anything like that, but the retinol is really, really good for me because, like I said, anti-aging. And even though this does say day cream on it, I do tend to use it at night because I want to use my retinol products at night, and I prefer using retinol and everything at night compared to daytime, because I find like overnight you're sleeping and your skin regenerates, and I find the benefits of retinol are better at night because you don't get sensitivity to the sun with retinol. Obviously you should be using SPF. I do tend to try to put it on as much as I can, but using this at night just helps my skin a lot better, I feel. And I do tend to use more hydrating moisturisers during the day, so it does work really well for me and I absolutely love it. You open it up and it does have this wee seal which do keep on, just keep it fresh. And you can tell how much I've used that already. I still have plenty of the product left, but you can tell I've been using it, so I'm not lying, guys. I just absolutely love it. It's just a really great cream. It really, really is. And it just helps make my skin just feel more rejuvenated. You want to see what the pump looks like on this? It's like a wee pump, which is quite cute. So even the packaging of these two are easy to use, and I absolutely love that. On to a blush, which I also got from Christmas. My bestie Amy got me. I've also got a review on that too on my channel. I actually got like quite a few reviews on my channel for all different makeup sets and skincare sets, and I've got more skincare I haven't touched from Christmas because I'm using up the stuff I have before I open up new stuff, which will be an upcoming video in the upcoming months. But this is the Mrs. Glam blush, and it is in the shade Peaches. The packaging's proper luxurious looking, that gold reflex. Has a mirror, and oh, kids are playing outside. And it is a beautiful peachy, almost pinky peach blush. A coral, I would say, a coral peachy colour. And it's perfect because it isn't too wishy-washy. I find a lot of peach blushes can look wishy-washy on my skin, especially because I do wear fake tan all the time, and this blush does not. It just gives you a nice strong colour but not too strong, and it is slightly on, would say, more the pink side compared to the orange side. It's a perfect peach colour and you can sheer out if you want to. I don't have it on now. I feel like a bit of a trader at the minute because I don't have a lot of products on that I have been favouring this month. But this blush is really, really great for me. I've been reaching for it a lot this month. It gives me that perfect peachy glow. It's enough colour for me where it isn't going to make me look washed out. It isn't too much where it's going to make me look like a clown. So I absolutely love it, and I recommend it for anyone who loves a peachy blush. Or if you have a medium skin type, whether that's naturally or through fake tan, and you find a lot of the traditional peachy blushes wash you out or don't give you enough pigment, this is perfect, and I don't think it's too expensive. I believe you can buy this individually. So yeah, last but not least, Kylie lip kit. I have this on now, so I have something on my face which I've been favouring. So this is the Kylie lip kit in the shade Party Girl. I do have the box, which I will throw out soon. So obviously it comes with a lip liner and a liquid lipstick, and I have been wearing both. I have both on now. So the lip liner I haven't sharpened yet. I've used it down to look quick. It looks like that. There's literally need to sharpen that badly, but it is a beautiful coral colour. Coral, absolutely beautiful bright coral colour. It's perfect for daytime and nighttime wear. I love a coral colour. I love a bright lip. I find bright lip looks better on me than nude lip, just for my colour and everything. And this is a perfect, you can see it on now. It's a perfect coral colour and I absolutely love it. The liquid lipstick looks like that. I love the design of the Kylie lip kits. And I'd never tried a Kylie lip kit until like December of 2024. And I've been around for like nearly 10 years. But I love how like the doe foot applicator's like a really good pointed tip, so it's good for overlining your lips. There's times, like a lot of times, I've just been wearing the lipstick on its own. The lipstick looks a bit brighter than the lip liner, but they do match and they go together. I suppose the lip liner's meant to be a bit more, slightly a darker colour just to get your outline and to map that out, and then the liquid lipstick is meant to be a brighter pop. So I really love how these go together. I've been reaching for this a lot this month, even though January is more of a winter colours. I don't care if I want to wear a coral lip, I'll wear a coral lip and this lip kit. I also love the Say No More, that bright vivid pink. I love that colour too, but this one I've been reaching for because I just like the way it looks too, and I just love a coral lip. Well, you see, in summertime I'll be wearing my berries and all, and be wearing all my winter colours. Sure, I probably will. Probably say I'll be loving this bright berry colour, this dark berry colour, and it's the middle of June, the middle of July. But hey ho. But a coral, I just think is perfect colour. Look how busted this box is though. So yes, that is it for my favourites video. Hope you've really enjoyed it. I was doing so well at the start of the video not to ramble and mumble my words, but I did feel a bit during the video. But obviously that'll be all edited out with editing and stuff. But yeah, I hope you did have a really great January, and I hope you have a really lovely February. And I'll see you again for the next favourites video, or the next video whenever you watch. So yeah, stay gorgeous. God bless. Bye.